Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a Medicare card online in Australia. First, let's confirm your eligibility. You must be an Australian citizen, a permanent resident, or a New Zealand citizen residing here. Certain temporary visa holders may also qualify. If you meet these basic requirements, you're ready to proceed with the application process. It's a straightforward system designed for your convenience. Before starting your online application, gather all necessary documents. You'll need proof of identity, like your passport or birth certificate. Additionally, prepare documents confirming your Australian residency or citizenship. If you are not an Australian citizen, ensure you have your valid visa details from the Department of Home Affairs ready. Having these prepared will make the process much smoother. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. Your support helps us create more useful content. On another note, for all you avid readers, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, anytime, without eye strain. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, let's walk through the online application. Begin by signing into your MyGov account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create it first. Once logged in, link your Medicare services. Then, navigate to the My Card section and select Get a New Card and Number. Follow the on-screen prompts, uploading your prepared documents in a clear, digital format. It's quite intuitive.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.